If you've been following along on my blog, I've been talking about waiting for this camera. There's a quick story behind it. I pre-ordered it in January and I was like so excited, and then when it was released, it was back ordered. So it was weird. So like I pre-ordered something and then it didn't show up. So I was lucky that this time I went to B&H Photo and they had it in stock in red, even though this is black, in red, and this is going to be the unboxing. So I just wanted to just show you guys that what it is. It's 8.9 megapixels, 32x extended zoom, progressive recording, MP4 recording, and built-in USB cable. It's got the XMOR sensor with the Zeiss optics, and it's got a wide thing, and it does full HD 1080p, I think. And then on this side, it's like steady shot, extended zoom, wide angle lens, intelligent auto, and it works. This is my big thing. It works with iMovie, and it does an AVC HD progressive, Dolby Digital. Hey, and even if you have one of these laying around, it takes a memory stick, but I don't. There's the accessories. There's going to be a tripod that's coming out, I think, next month, and it's red. I'm really excited about that. Okay, so let me unbox it. Sony's released a bunch of brand new Handycams or camcorders this year, and a lot of people saw them at CES earlier, and this is going to be their entry-level model. This is like the actual like bare minimum one. So obviously it comes with a limited warranty, 15% off, 15% off eligible accessories. Neat. Okay. Okay, that's cool. Nice. Okay, so it comes with manuals that are both in English and in Spanish. Working in the store. Okay, so I'm going to lift this part up. Hopefully you guys all could still see this, yeah. And I'll just do the cables real quick. So this is their, this looks like it's an extended USB cable, is what I think it is. Okay. Let me see what this is. This is a mini HDMI cable, which is really nice. I could plug it right into my monitor and see it. This looks like it's the battery right there, and nothing in there. And then here it is. Ooh. Yeah, put that in, and then that's it in the box. So I'll put that aside. There's only the HDMI input. There is no microphone input, which I thought was interesting. Okay. And on the bottom, tripod mount. This thing is so small. It's like, I have small hands, and this thing is really small to me. And this is where the SD card, and it does take SDXC, I guess, goes in here. And it just slides in. And let's see what's on this thing. DC and multi. So there's two different DC ins. That's interesting. Multi, I think, is, that's the HDMI cable. It's interesting. Okay. And then it's got a built-in USB, which I think comes sliding right out like that, and then you can hook it up to this and make it bigger. I'll put that back in for now. And then, so what else is over here? Oh, power, charge, start, stop is over there. So still on this side is the lens cover, but it does open and close. And I guess this is the speaker, and this is the optics in there. It looks really good. I like it. So there's the settings for that. And on the top, 32x extended zoom, Carl's Zeiss, Stereo, yeah. And then this would be where your wide and telephoto is, and then this button right here to take a picture, and then go back to this. So let's see what happens when I plug the battery in. I bet you have to charge it. Okay, so I think I figured out how to do this now. There we go, and it just slides in like that. And it's not turning on. Oh, there it goes. Whoops. And then time and date format, and I'm probably going to set it day, month, year, and today is the 15th. Oops. And oh, and the cover might be closed, so check the cover. So yeah, and then there it is. So yeah, that's the Handycam. And I will be doing some tests and videos on this, and just to see what what it's capable of. So comment, like, subscribe, and visit cardtherapy.wordpress.com and for more information.